Hello everyone. Today we will see what is linked list is and create our own linked list data structure in Python. Linked lists are a data structure used for storing a collection of elements. Each element in a linked list is called a node and contains two pieces of information: the data and a reference to the next node in the list. Linked lists are commonly used because they allow for efficient insertion and deletion of elements, as well as dynamic memory allocation. Node class. To create a linked list in Python, we start by defining a node class. Each node object will have two attributes, data and next_node. The data attribute holds the data for the node, and the next_node attribute holds a reference to the next node in the list. Initially, the next_node attribute is set to none. Linked list class. Next, we define a linked list class that will represent the linked list itself. The linked list class will have a single attribute, head, which will hold a reference to the first node in the list. Initially, the head is set to none. Insertion. To insert a new node into the linked list, we create a new node object and set its data attribute to the value we want to insert. Then, we set the next_node attribute of the new node to the current head of the list, and update the head attribute to point to the new node. This code creates a new node with the given data value, sets its next_node attribute to the current head of the list, and updates the head to point to the new node. Traversal. To traverse the linked list, we start with the head node and follow the next_node references until we reach the end of the list. We can print out each node's data attribute as we traverse the list. This code starts with the head node and sets current_node to head. Then, it enters a loop that continues until current_node is none. Inside the loop, it prints the data attribute of the current node and sets current_node to the next_node of the current node. Deletion. To delete a node from the linked list, we need to find the node and update its predecessor's next_node attribute to point to the node's next_node attribute. Then, we can delete the node. This code starts with the head node and sets current_node to head. If the node to be deleted is the head node, we update the head to point to the next node. Otherwise, we enter a loop that continues until the current node is the last node in the list. Inside the loop, we check if the data attribute of the next node is the value we want to delete. If it is, we update the next_node attribute of the current node to point to the next node's next_node attribute, effectively bypassing the node to be deleted. Finally, we break out of the loop. Conclusion. That's a brief explanation of linked lists in Python. Linked lists are a powerful data structure that can be used for a variety of applications. They allow for efficient insertion and deletion of elements and dynamic memory allocation. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to support us. For any other suggestions, let us know in the comments.